Alright guys, welcome back again. Orange Track Outlaws here, and it is race night. Here we go. We got another pretty cool random group of 36 cars. We're going to open these bad boys up. We're going to line them up. We're going to race them, see who's fast, see who's not fast, and put them up against our new #1 champ. So we'll run through these cars here real quick for you. We got here Darth Maul. Oh, we got the fast gassing. This car's pretty cool right here. We're out this year. Lamborghini Miura. Pretty cool car here. We got the mystery car. Oh, let's see. We got the Roger Dodger. Looks like we got an NSX. Cool, here we got a Datsun 240Z, sweet. Got the gold Batmobile. Got the 44 truck. Got a Torino. Let's see, we got another Night. Oh, it's this Mega Thrust, that's right. We got the Hummer H3 with the FTE wheels, the big ones too. Wonder how fast that guy's gonna be. Oh, we get the Lamborghini Diablo. Now, this is kind of a heavy car, metal. I'm wondering if that might be pretty quick. Alright guys, we got the 65 Ford Mustang, cool paint job there. We got the 80s Firebird. Looks like we got a Camaro here, 67 Camaro. Okay, there it is, all metal also. Like we got ourselves a little Indy car here, a little Hot Wheels racing team. Got another one of these bad boys here. This is a great series, this 2000 Hot Wheels racing team. It says rolls fast on Hot Wheels tracks, and they do. We just we raced the John Deere one in the last race, and it turned out to be our new #1. So we got another one here, and we are going to find out if that guy's any good. Moving on, we got the Jaguar D-Type, another all metal, and that's kind of heavy. Should be good. Redline car, 68 Dodge Dart. Pretty cool car, all metal, kind of heavy. Ought to be good. We got the Cadillac ATS-V, pretty cool car. Really like this guy right here, the Olds 442. I think it's a sweet looking car. Alright, moving on here. Got the Monte Carlo. This is also all metal, and that's kind of heavy. And this might race good. Get the HW50 Concept. We got the Honda S2000. Got 68 Nova Golf Edition. And we got the Mercedes AMG GT3 baby blue with the big wing. Cool looking car. Hopefully it's quick. Got the Corvette Grand Sport, sweet car. Everybody likes this one, huh? Fast and Furious fans. Toyota Supra, orange with the cool decals on the side. A little Fast and Furious action. Hope it's fast. Here's a car out of this year, the '99 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning. Let's see, they're fast for real. Let's see if they're fast on the orange track. And we got the Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo. Cool car. Not the treasure hunt, unfortunately. Cool nonetheless. Here we go. We got a little summer car, the HW40 Spring 2020. We got the Custom 01 Acura Integra. We got the Mistretta MXR in orange. Pretty cool looking car. Looky here. Got ourselves a Gazella GT. This would be the chase car. This is a cool looking car here, and we've had some fast Gazella GTs in the past here. Want to see how bad this chase car, how fast this guy's gonna go. We'll find out soon enough. And last but not least here, we got the Track Tune, the Color Shifter Track Tune. And this one does have a metal base also. I know some of these are quick with FTE wheels. Let's see about the color shifter. Pretty sweet. So we're gonna get these guys unpacked. We're gonna get them sorted, and we're gonna get them lined up and ready to race. Bet you guys are wondering though, what's in this bad boy here? The mystery car. Let's find out. Let's find out. I have to do this with one hand. About got her open here. It is, sweet car there, Challenger, 70 Challenger. That's a cool looking car. Well, we'll see if she's fast. Alright guys, let me get these unpacked and we'll be back in a flash. Okay, race 1 up and ready. Lane 1, the Mistretta MXR. Lane 2, we got the Hot Wheels race car number 44. Lane 3, 68 Nova Golf Edition. In lane 4, we got the Fast and Furious orange Toyota Supra. In lane 5, we got the Mercedes AMG GT3. In lane 6, we got the 2016 Cadillac ATS VR. Alright guys, what do we like here? Well, I'll tell you what, I'm going lane 2. Another one of them racing cars from that Real Fast Racing series. From the last video, the John Deere was our new number 1. I think these are fast, and I think it's going to be hard to pick against them. So lane 2 for me. Let's race. Okay, race 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, that race was a big. Wow.
Winner, lane 2.
Oh yeah, that race was a big.
Wow. Winner, lane 2.
Okay, race 2 up and ready. Lane 1, we got the Ford Torino. Lane 2, we got the Lamborghini Diablo. Lane 3, we got the Honda S2000. Lane 4, 68 Camaro. Lane 5, we got the Chevy Monte Carlo. In lane 6, we got the Gold Batmobile. Who we picking here, guys? Who we picking? Lane 5, that Chevy Monte Carlo is all metal. It's heavy. I think it's going to be fast. Same with lane 2, the Lambo Diablo, all metal. It's heavy too. It's going to be fast. Who are you guys picking here? I think I'm going to go lane 2 with the Lambo. Let's race. Race 2. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, look at that. Monte Carlo.
Winner, lane 5.
Oh yeah, look at that. Monte Carlo.
Winner, lane 5.
Okay, race 3 is up and ready. This is looking like a good one. In lane 1, we've got the Hot Wheels Track Tune. In lane 2, we got the Corvette Grand Sport. Lane 3, we got the Nissan 300ZX. In lane 4, we got the Hot Wheels Gazella GT, the Chase Gold Edition. Lane 5, we got the Jaguar D-Type, all metal. And lane 6, we got the Hot Wheels Mega Thrust. This should be a good race, guys. The Gazella GT's fast, Mega Thrust is fast, Jaguar is all metal. Let's see, the Nissan's heavy. Track tunes are usually fast. I don't know, who are we gonna pick here, guys? Who are we gonna pick? I think I'm gonna go lane 4 with the Gazella GT Gold. Let's race. Okay, race 3. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's a tight one. Oh, who was it?
Lane 1.
Track tune. Tight one. Oh, who was it?
Lane 1.
Track tune. Okay, everybody, halfway through. We're up to race 4. Is up and ready. Lane 1 here, we got the 40 Ford. Lane 2, we got the Hot Wheels HW50. Lane 3, we got the 80s Firebird. Lane 4, we got the 68 Dodge Dart Redline. In lane 5, we got the 01 Acura Integra GSR. And lane 6, the 65 Mustang. What are we picking here? It looks like a pretty good race. I know the lane 2, the HW50 is going to be fast. Some of the Firebirds are fast. Lane 4 is all metal with that Dart. Who are we going to pick here, guys? Who are we going to pick? I think I'm going to go with lane 2 with that HW50, the Hot Wheels in black. Let's race. Okay, race 4. 3, 2, 1.
Oh man, that Mustang got big. Wow.
Winner, lane 6.
Oh man, that Mustang got big. Wow.
Winner, lane 6.
Okay, race 5 is up and ready. It's looking like another good one. In lane 1, we got the Acura NSX. Lane 2, we got the Ford F-150 Lightning. Lane 3, we got the Matchbox 68 Lamborghini Miura. In lane 4, got the 1970 Dodge Challenger. Lane 5, we got the Datsun 240Z. And lane 6, we got the Fast Gassin'. Alright guys, who are we picking here? I know lane 5, those Datsun 240Zs are fast. Sometimes the NSXs can be fast. I think the wild card here is that lane 3, that Lamborghini Miura. I wonder how fast that thing is, but I think my pick, I'm going to go with lane 2 with that gold truck, the F-150 Lightning. Let's race. Okay guys, race 5. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's NSX. Wow.
Winner, lane 1.
Oh, it's NSX. Wow.
Winner, lane 1.
Okay, race 6 up and ready. Lane 1, we got a sweet looking Olds 442. Lane 2, we got the IndyCar. Lane 3, we got the Hot Wheels HW40. In lane 4, we got the Roger Dodger. In lane 5, we got the Darth Maul car. In lane 6, we got the Hummer with the FTE wheels. I'm not sure who to pick on this one, guys. Lane 1 though, that Olds 442 is a sweet car. I'm pulling for it, but you know what? I think I'm going to go with lane 6. That Hummer with the FTE wheels, or the FTE axles. Let's find out here, guys. Race 6. Let's race. Okay, race 6. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, look at that Indy car.
Oh, a bunch of duds.
Lane 2.
Oh, look at that Indy car.
Oh, a bunch of duds.
Lane 2.
Okay guys, finals race time. This should be a good one. I think we got some fast ones here. In lane 1, we got the IndyCar. Lane 2, we got the Acura NSX. Lane 3, 65 Mustang. In lane 4, we got the Hot Wheels Track Tune. In lane 5, we got the Hot Wheels race car number 44. In lane 6, we got the Chevy Monte Carlo, all metal by the way. I don't know, this should be a good race here. Some fast cars. I think lane 6 is going to be fast. I think lane 5 is going to be fast. So I think the rest of them are really fast too, but I'm gonna go with number 5. I'm gonna go with that Hot Wheels race car number 44. But I think it's gonna be tight between 5 and 6. Let's find out, guys. Finals race. Let's go. Okay, guys. Finals. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, NASCAR's out big.
Winner, lane 5.
Oh yeah, NASCAR's out big.
Winner, lane 5.
Okay, here's our winner here. In lane 2, the Hot Wheels NASCAR number 44. That's tonight's winner. And lane 1 will be the Hot Wheels NASCAR number 97 John Deere. That is our current and newest number 1. So we're gonna see what number 44's got and see if we can't get some good competition. Maybe a new number 1 here. I don't know. Let's see. These are 2 fast cars though. This is gonna be a tight race, I think. Let's find out, guys. Who you picking? Who you picking? Lane 1, lane 2? Let's race. Okay, tonight's winner, number 44, versus our new number 1, the John Deere. 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. We got a new number 1.
Winner, lane 2.
Uh-oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. We got a new number 1.
Winner, lane 2.
All right, guys, take a look at tonight's champion and our new number 1. This is now our fastest car, and we raced a lot of cars. This one is fast. It's smooth, and I thought the John Deere car was fast, and it beat him by a car. So this is a good car. This is a fast one. I can't believe it. And there's I don't know, at least a half a dozen more cars in this series that are supposed to be just as fast. So we'll be getting to those. This was a good race tonight. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for tuning in again. I appreciate all you guys watching. If you like what you saw, please hit that like button. And if you want to see more of this stuff, please subscribe and ring that bell for the notifications when the new videos come out. And if you're into the customs and the restorations, check out those other videos. I got some cool stuff there. Got some cool customs. I got some cool ones I'm working on now, so be on the lookout for those. I got a couple challenges we're working on, so it should be fun. And definitely keep an eye out for more races. There's going to be more. I got a lot more cars to race. So once again, guys, thanks again for tuning in, and take a look at our new number 1. And we will see you on the next race. See ya.